Okay, if you're poor like me, you don't have enough money to spend on a plastic bag. Sometimes they charge $35 on up. Just take a plastic garbage bag, tape along the sides here, taper it, maybe make a few cuts on it, just like you would for the material. And it works real nice because some people have these covers on them, and the covers basically block all the beauty of the typewriter. With this one, at least I can get a look at it. See all the dust that's falling on it? That's a lot of dust. But at least it keeps it away from the typewriter. And that's what I do with all of mine. I got another Underwood here that it's take the cover off. It was made in 1906, sorry. And it's one of the oldest ones that I've got. Hold on.